I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give
Hi everyone, my name is Shreyas from Grade 8. Today, as science experiment, we baked cake and bread. In bread, we used a microbe called yeast. Yeast is a unicellular microorganism.
I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, then I'll start.
Students were learning about microorganisms. When kids think about microorganisms, they only think it's a bacteria, the bad one. But they learned what is good microorganisms plus bad microorganisms. So based on that, we thought we'll have a small activity where they can learn the process of yeast or learn what's happening in the bakers. So we thought we'd bake cake as well as stuffed cheese garlic bread, where they have used yeast, and they've also learned the fermentation process that's been happening behind this. So it's a fun activity for them, and I believe they have learned something.
Try